Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Faren, your fashion guru, and this is a 3-minute Thursday on how to shorten a metal zipper. In order for you to cut a metal zipper, you're going to need one special tool, and it's these things that look like pliers. Basically, it cuts metal. Let's get into how we actually cut this zipper. First of all, you're going to need to measure where you want to cut your zipper. Starting from the base of the zipper, so the stopper. If it's a separating zipper, then the end of the zipper, okay? Move your zipper head all the way down to where you would like your zipper head to end or start. And then measure there. So I'm marking on either side of my zipper head that measurement. And then from there, I'm going to make another mark 1 inch up. Put that aside, and then we're gonna go all the way to the top of our zipper head. And you see these little stoppers right here? We're gonna take those off. So you take your special tool and you stick it underneath the bottom and on top, and you just squeeze, not too hard. You just wanna squeeze it just a little bit, just to open the stopper, to release it. There you go. You have to remember to save this piece. So put that aside in somewhere safe, and then do the other side. Then, after you've done that, you go back to your markings. Using the same tool, we're gonna be taking out the zipper teeth, okay? So really what you do is you just squeeze right at the top of the teeth, only slightly. Don't cut them or anything, because I've done that and it doesn't work. Squeeze lightly. Ew, holy. There you go. The one thing you're going to have to be cautious about is not breaking your zipper tape. That could be an issue. So be careful. Now that you've done that, you take your scissors and you cut off the excess of your zipper. Take a lighter and just lightly go over your zipper tape. This is going to keep the zipper tape from fraying. Both sides, just do it very lightly. You don't have to go in and burning it. And the final step to finishing the zipper is to take your pieces that you set aside and put them back on, because these will essentially stop your zipper from coming off the zipper tape. I'm using some needle nose pliers to squish on my stoppers here at the top. And that's it, guys. It literally is that easy. So if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to get notifications when I upload next. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or you can join me on my new Telegram group. It's at LTRL Trend Fashion Guru. I'll leave the link in the description below so I can see you there. This is your fashion guru signing off. La 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 la. Zipper teeth. Yeah.